Right, getting some laundry done, and it's going down to the put it on a 60-minute fast wash, hot wash, and it's getting down to the last 14 minutes. And they probably do something like a 14-minute, should be on a 14-minute spin cycle to the finish. And that's when it gets interesting. I've had this washing machine, probably 2 years now. Who makes it? Logic. Yeah, or Logics. Yeah, when that gets on that spin, now it's going to take off. Pause for a second. Okay, so I think it's getting ready now to go into the spin cycle. I'm holding it at 11 minutes now. Yeah, when the spin cycle starts you will not hear me. So yeah. Yeah, I'm recording this because, well, you'll see, yeah, here we go. So yeah, you'll see when it gets into full spin mode how heavily noisy it is. Sometimes I sit here and I wonder if the fucking machine's going to fly out from underneath there. Yeah, bud. So this, you think, yeah, what's so mad about this? This is just like the slow start. There we go, just hit 10 minutes. Now let's pause for a minute. Okay, so speeding up, and then it's going to slow down, and it's going to speed up. So far, in doing what I'm expecting it to do. Not yet anyway. It's taking its bloody time. I've been meaning to do this for a while because it is very bloody noisy once it gets going. Here we go. It's going to take off. Yeah, the Hawkwinds silver machine. And there's Monk's got a washing machine. And so is Space Cadet. My fucking washing machine is fucking crazy. What the fuck is that all about? Blah, 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 blah. Walking out. The old drum's gone a bit funny, you know, so that's why you can see it's just fucking all mental in there. So it's like good, probably close to 15 minutes of this going on. And it does get really noisy. This is quiet. Here we go, here we go, this is it, it's going to be getting louder, and this is not even the half of it, it's going to get noisier. It's anything like the hawkwinds. It'll blow up at the end. end of the washing machine. So you won't hear much from me in a second, eh? You have to really shout to hear me. So it's about another 5 minutes of that still to go. It's gone for it still, and it's bloody noisy. 5 more minutes. Okay, well that's a wrap anyway. It's one shame, my washing machine, how wonderful it is. Well, I've had a great Sunday and a shit weekend. I'm going to go hide back in the upper room. Yeah, still going for it. Yeah, it's a right old racket that, isn't it? Don't think I'll be much longer and I'm going to be needing a new washing machine. More expense.